Chapter 4 Netra Kriya Sarirang. Sense of vision is one of the choicest possessions of living beings. This takes place in 3 stages. 1. Stage of Indriyartha Sankara, contact between eye and the objects. 2. Stage of Rupalokanam, analysis of images. 3. Stage of Cakur Buddhi, visual perception. इंद्रिया अर्था SANNIKRA Fig.1.21 P.118 This is called as Pratyaksa, Prati plus aka towards sense organ. The image Rupa, Indriya Artha, travels in the media of light Jyoti, Indriya Dravya, towards Akshi, Indriya Adhyachayachene. This perception of Indriyartha by Indriya takes place in complex mechanisms like conduction of the light rays reflected by the object towards the eye, refraction inside the eye and convergence into drishti. VTA is the functioning dosa in this stage, in the presence of normal pitta and kapha. Rupalokanam. This is the stage of receiving and analyzing the images. Rupagrahana is done by pitta in general and alokaka pitta in particular. Yad drishtya pittan tasmin alochko agniya iti sangya sarupagranadhikritah susu. 21/10. It is situated in antah-tharaka of eye. Drishtistha antastarak sthitantu rupasya alochnaat tadayat rupagrahen shaktitvat alochak shaktitven alochkam uchyate indu asansu. 20/7 दृष्टिस्थं पित्त रूपालोचनात् अंतस्तार्कयोः स्थितं तदायत्त रूपग्रह शक्तित्वात् आलोचक मुच्यते. आलोचकस्य दृक्दृष्ट्यः स्थान रूपालोचनम कर्म. हेमाद्रि अहरिसु. 12/14 दर्शनादर्शने नेत्रगत्स्यालोचनकस्य चक्रपाणि सु. 13/11 अरुंदत्त अहरिसु. 12/16 Two aspects of Alokaka Pitta like Kaksu Vaicika and Buddhi Vaicika carry out this function. Bhela Sanhita Atrovach Bhagvanatreya Tatralochko Nam Varshashitat Papravridbha Sadvividha Chakshuvaisheshiko Buddhi Vaisheshikascheti चक्षुर्वैशेषिको नाम य आत्मम नसोसन्निकर्ष ज्ञान मुदीर्यत्वा चित्ते चित्तमप्याधाय संस्वेद जांडयोद्भिज्जरायुजाना चतुर्णा भूतग्रामाणा लक्षण संस्थान रूप वर्ण स्वरैरुच्चावचाना पुष्पफल पत्राणा रूप निर्वृत्य में कैकस्य द्वयोस्त्रयाणा सर्वेषा वा युगपत प्रणिपातिताना चक्षुषा वैशेष्यमुत्पाद्यतीति भेल शारीर 4 The functions of CAKUVAICIK लोकाका पिट्टा. 1. Janna Udirana, stimulation, after the contact of TM, Mana, Indriya and Arth. 2. Bringing this to Sita, mind. 3. Informing. A. Laksana, details. B. Samsthana, base, C. Rupa, form, appearance. D. Varna, colors. E. Swara, sounds. 4. Pranipta Janna, analyzing the images one by one and collectively. 5. Vaisesika Janna, special awareness of minute details. Such information received in Akshi Golka is forwarded to Cakur Buddhi. Fig.1.22 P.118 Cakur Buddhi Atmendriya Manorthana Sannikarshāt Pravartate व्यक्ता तदात्वेया बुद्धियः प्रत्यक्षंसा निरुच्यते. Su 11/28 Do Kaksu Vaisesika is situated in eyeball. Buddhi Vaisesika is situated in Shriktaka, between the 2 eyebrows. बुद्धि वैशेषिको नाम यो भ्रुवोर मध्ये श्रृंगाटकस्थः सुसूक्ष्मानर्थानध्यात्मकरितान् गृह्णाति ज्ञानेन ज्ञेयं ज्ञान कृत्स्न ज्ञेय कैवल्यार्थेषु दर्शयति तस्मात् ज्ञान ज्ञेयं ज्ञात्वा ज्ञान गृह्णाति गृहीतं धारयति धारितु प्रत्युदाहरति अतीतं स्मरति प्रत्युत्पन्न कृत्वानागतं प्रार्थयति जात्मात्रश्च पुनर्नुपदिष्ट स्वभावं मातृस्तन्यम्भिषति ध्याने प्रत्याहारे योजनाच्च बुद्धिवैशिष्यमुत्पाद्यतीति. भेल शारीर 4/5 Buddhi Vaicika performs following functions. 1. Perceives minute details by Janna. 2. Provides complete visual perception. 3. Records visual images and remembers these images for long time. 4. Recalls and recollects when necessary. 5. Helps to foresee the future things. It is instrumental in dhyana, pratyahara and yojan. Kaksar buddhi takes place in two phases, sanika and niskayatmika. पंचेन्द्रिय बुद्ध्या चक्षुर्बुद्ध्यादिकाः ताः पुनरिन्द्रियार्थ सत्मात्मसन्निकर्षजाः क्षणिका निश्चयात्मिकाश्च इत्येतत् पंचकम् सु 8/12. The momentary knowledge is obtained by KNIKACAKUR buddhi which will be confirmed by Niskayatmika CAKUR BUDDHI. The physiology of vision is explained by two theories, the theory of Tulya Yoni and the theory of Panka Pankaka. Theory of Tulya Yoni, Susrita, Tulya Yoga, Bhela. इंद्रियेण इंद्रियार्थं तु स्वं स्वं गृह्णाति मानवः नियतं तुल्योनित्वात् न अन्येन अन्य इति स्थितिः. सुषा 1/15. Theory of common origin, Tulya Yoni, forms the basis of sensory perceptions. The light which illuminates the objects and the eye that receives it, both are derived from Tejo Mahabhata. Hence eye receives only Rpa, visual perception, and nothing else. सु उत 7.5 फीट. इंद्रियेण चक्षुरादिना रूपादिक भात्मीयमत्मीय मानव उपाते तद्यथा तैजसन चक्षुस्तैजस्मेव रूपमाते पार्थिवं घ्राणेन्द्रियं पार्थिवमेव गंधमादन्ते एवं शेषेष्वापि बोद्धव्यम तुल्योनित्वात् एक भूत हेतुत्वात् भूतं हि स्वयोनिमेवाभिधावति जलमिव जलम तमेव स्पष्टीकुर्वन्नाह नान्येनान्यमिति दलहन. Sri Dalhana gives the example of water in the river moving to join the sea. The similarity is responsible for this attraction as similar things always go together. तत्र यद्यदात्मकमिन्द्रियण विशेषात् तन्दात्मकमेवार्थं नुगृह्णाति तत्स्वभावाद् विभुत्वाच्च सु 8/14. There are two reasons for such action. 1. Swabhava, nature. 2. Vibhutva, dominance of Mahabhuta. Theory of Panka Pankaka, Karaka. The 5 factors involved in the sensory perceptions are 1. Indriya. 2. Indriya Dravya. 3. Indriya Adhisthana. 4. Indriya Artha. 5. Indriya Buddhi. यह खलु पंचेन्द्रियाणि पंचेन्द्रिय द्रव्याणि पंचेन्द्रिय अधिष्ठानानि पंचेन्द्रियार्थाः पंचेन्द्रिय बुद्धयो भवन्ति. Panka Pankaka. SL. Know in general. In the eye. 1. Indriya. Kaksu, eye. 2. Indriya Dravya. Jyoti, light. 3. Indriya Adhisthana. Akshi, 2 eyeballs. 4. Indriya Artha. Rapa, form, colors, etc. 5. Indriya Buddhi. Role of mind. CAKUR Buddhi, visual perception. Mind motivates the sensory faculties to perceive their respective objects. Mana purassarani indriyani arthagrehen samarthani bhavanti su 8/7. Mana purassarani manodhishthitani chakrapani. Vision, therefore, is a process of mental interpretation. The picture which the mind sees is not the impression on the retina, but a mental interpretation of it. Vision depends on the mind's imagination. When the imagination is perfect, sight is good. Diversion of mind is one among the inhibitory factors of vision. Pratyaksa anupalabdhi, optical illusions, and other inhibitory factors. सता च रूपानाम्ति सन्निकर्षात्ति विप्रकर्षादावरणात् करन्दौर्बल्यान्मनोन वस्थानात् समानाभिहार्दभि भावात्ति सौक्ष्म्याच्च प्रत्यक्षानुपलब्धिः सु 11/8. The following factors will hamper visual perception. 1. Ati sannikarsa, the collyrium in the eyes is not seen due to its over proximity to the eyes. 2. Ati viprakarsa, a bird flying far away in the sky is not visible due to the long distance. 3. Avara, A picture placed on the other side of the wall can not be seen due to the obstruction of wall. 4. Karana Daurbalya. A patient of jaundice cannot perceive the whiteness of the cloth due to the defect or weakness in the eye. 5. Mano Anavasthana. A lover with his mind diverted towards his beloved is not mindful of the scenery around him. 6. Samna Abhihara. An orange thrown amongst a heap of oranges cannot be easily identified as a separate entity as all the oranges look similar. 7. Abhibhva. Shining stars are not visible during daytime due to powerful sun rays. 8. Ati Saukmya. Very small worms, head lice etc. are not visible due to their minute size. Hence, before identifying the defect of vision, one should rule out the factors other than Karana Daurbalya, eye defect. Role of dosa, dhatu and mala. Vta dosa regulates all the movements of the body. Sarvendriyana Udyojakah, Shsu. 12/8. Vyana Vayu is the inspirator of the eyelid movements. Vyana Nimeshadi Kriya Sada, Chchi. 28/9. Prana Vayu supports all the sensory faculties, Indriya Dharik. Akshi Hyundanam Kupitonila, Shchi. 28/22-23. The vitiation of Vayu, however, will prevent Indriyartha Sannikara and produce Akshi Hyundana or dysfunction of the eye. Discussion. Vayu is regulating various activities of the eye. It is correlate with the nervous system. The motor influences, mediated through the central and peripheral nervous system, are attributed to Vayu. It is related with the reflexes of the eye like corneal, conjunctival and pupillary reflexes. Both dilatation and constriction is mediated through Vayu. The movements of the eyeball by the extraocular muscles are the functions of Vinavu. The sensory pathway of accommodation reflexes are attributed to Pranavu. Alokaka Pitta take part in Rupa Alokanam supported by Sadhaka Pitta. Shirastha Chakshuradi Indriya Tarpanat Tarpakah, Hrisu. 20/8. Tarpaka Kapha supplements nutrition to all parts of the eye. Snehana Snehdanen Samast Indriya Tarpanah, Bhavaprakash Purv 3/132. This is mainly of lipid portions Sneha Santarpanam. Shirastha Sneh Santarpanadhikaritatvat Indriyana Atmaviryen Anugrehe Karoti. Susu 21/14. The nutritive property of kapha is anugraha, blessing, to the sense organs. Through circulation influenced by Vyana Vayu. Sandhisthastu Shleshma Sarvasandhisanshleshat Sarv Sandhyanugrehe Karoti Susu. 21/15. In addition, Leka kapha supports sandhis. Vatashleshmakshaye Glanimindriya Daurbalyan Kriyakshayam Su. 17/69. Therefore, any abnormal decrease of vata or kapha will disturb the eye. Dhatu. 1. Rasadhatu by providing prinana, nutrition, rasa, dhatu bestows pleasing appearance prasanna netrata. Jihva netra kapolana jalam, shar. प्रथम 5/13 से 14. जलमत्र कफद्रवमेतद्रसस्य मलम दीपिका. जिह्वा नेत्र कपोलाशा यदरंजकन क्रांतिकरण पित्तन तदेव रसमलन की विशिष्टन पित्तन जलन द्रवरूपन अथवा जिह्वा नेत्र कपोल्योह यदरंजकन कांतिदम गूढ़ार्थ दीपिका. The watery portion of the eye is mala of rasadhatu. This may be kapha drava, deepika commentary, or a type of Ranjaka Pitta, Gudartha Deepika. The first patala of Drasti is composed of rasa and rakt. Discussion. Rasa dhatu in the eye is compared with intraocular fluids. Aqueous humor flows from aqueous arteries of ciliary processes to canal of Schlemm. It nourishes avascular structures like lens and cornea. It also fills anterior and posterior chamber. The shape of eyeball is maintained by intraocular pressure of this fluid. The functions of rasa like aharha gacchati, aharha payati and aharha dhrayati can be correlated to these functions. Any abnormalities of aqueous humor is analyzed and treated according to the guidelines of rasa pradosaja vikaras. The exudate in the retina is also interpreted as a dusti laksana of rasvaha. Srotas. Do raktadhtu. Asrijah kandaraha siraha, shchi. 15/17. The sira and kandaras are the upad2 of rakt, and they will fix the eyeball, akshi bandhana, in the bony socket. Raktam vriddha raktangakshita sira purnatvam cha. Susu 15/15. The increase of rakt-dhatu will result in the engorgement of blood vessels and redness in the eye. Snigdh tamra nakh nayan. Rakten susu. 35/16. Rakt sarapi arua will have snigdha and coppery colored eyes. The reduction of rakt in the body is evident in the eye as in case of Pandu. Akshi. Snigdh raktvarnam raktasaranam. 8/104. Discussion. The vascular diseases of retina are compared with Raktvaha Srotodusti. The features of Sirashatilya and Ruksata are visible by fundoscopy as microaneurysm, Siragranthi, and hemorrhage, Vimarg Gamana. 3. MMSA Dhatu, Mansa Dhatu forms the second Dristi Patala. Akshi Shubh Masopchita Mans Saranam, Shvi. 8/105. This provides pusti, health, and any reduction in the level of MMSA2 will lead to netra glani, weakness of eye. Components of the eye like sira, kandara, snayu, asthi and sandhi get stronger by the support of mansadhatu. Su.sa 5.38. Discussion. The decrease of mansa dhatu can lead to vata vriddhi, and this will affect the movements of ocular muscles. Such a pathology is evident in Nimesa, Vata Hata Vartma etc. 4. Medodhtu provides strength to the eyes ca. 6.8.106 as reflected in the features of Medo Sarapuruya. Netra Visheshan Sneho Medha Saranam, Shvi. 8/106. नेत्र गात्र स्निग्धता स्नेह दाढ़र्यास्थिपुष्टिभिर्मेध असनसु 19/3. It provides lubrication snehna. Su 15.5. Snayu and sandhis are apadhtas of Midas. Ca.ci 15.17. The third PAALA of Drasti is made up of Medodhtu. Discussion. This is compared with vitreous based on the physical characters. Any change in the composition of Medo Dhatu can lead to floaters and ultimately vitreous detachment. 5. Asthi Dhatu. The eyelids have CARTILAGTARUSTHY. The eyelashes PAKMA are the mala of Asthidhtu. Asthana Majjani Sausharya Brahma Timir Darshanam. Ahrisu 11/19. Visual efficiency will be reduced, Timira Darshana, when Asthi and Majja Dhatu are depleted. A.H. Su 11.19. The fourth Patala is supported by Klaksthi, DALHAA. Discussion. Asthi is the seat of Vata. The reduction in Asthi Dhatu and Vata Vriddhi in the old age will also disturb the nourishment of lens. If left untreated, such a condition can lead to opacity, cataract of lens. 6. Majjadhatu. The excellence of Majjadhatu will provide Mahanetra, or excellent eyes. Mahanetran Chamagya, Susu. 35/16. The heaviness of the eye. Netra Gaurva. 15/14, and darkness before the eye, Timira Darshana, are the features of increase and decrease of Majjadhatu. Asthana Sausharya Brahmastimir Darshana, Ahrisu. 11/19. Darshana Tamsastatha. Majja Pradoshat, Chsu. 28/17. The oiliness in the discharges of eye is the mala of majja. नेत्र विट च स्नेह मज्झ मलह सुसु 46/529. Discussion. The pathologies of majja dhatu can be correlated with the diseases of optic nerve like optic atrophy, where kapha vridhi discolorates optic nerve. 7. Ukra dhatu. The exhalations of sukradhatu makes the eye most pleasing, as if eye is filled with milk. सौम्याः सौम्य प्रेक्षणश्च क्षीरपूर्णलोचन इव प्रहर्ष बहुलाः वी 8/109. Discussion. Drishti is tejomi, filled with tejas, whereas sukra is kevala, pure tejas. Hence drishti balpeksi, persons interested to enhance vision, should try to increase tejas. दृष्टिस्तेजोमी प्रोक्ता शुक्रं तेजश्च केवलम तस्मात् दृष्टि बलापेक्षी तेजो वृद्धिं समाचरेत. शालाक्य चक्रपाणी 15:3-4. The reduction of shukra dhatu as su 19.9 can lead to timira darshana. Hence excessive sex is considered as a causative factor for eye diseases. Atimathuna su.ut 1.26. If morbid dosas increase even after involving fourth PALA, then sukradhatu will be vitiated and the offspring produced will be congenitally blind. Ojas. The expression of our feelings like happiness, anger, sorrow, etc. in the eyes is brought about by ojas. The continuous expression of them can lead to reduction of oja and produce eye disease. Discussion. The reduction in the levels of sukra dhatu usually end up in ojoksaya. This condition is compared with macular degeneration in the eye. Mala, Netra Dusika and Akshi Sneha are the malas of Mansa and Medo respectively. The increase and decrease of mala will have direct impact on the eye. Anyepi Chadushikadi Mala Bahulya Dravta Kandu Gaurveh Asansu 19/7. Anyepi Chamala Yathayatha Malayana Shosh Shunyatv Laghveh Sansu 19/10. The increase of netrakta mala will result in bahulya, increase of discharges, dravta, increased liquidity exudates, kandu, gaurva, scratching and heaviness of eye. Decrease of netrakta mala will produce malyana sosha, the dryness of the eye, malyana shunyatva, the emptiness or lack of functions of vision, Malyana Laghava, the lightness or not performing the visual functions accurately. Srotas, though all the channels are linked with the eyes, any damage to Anvaha and Raktvaha srotas will immediately lead to visual loss. Vidha aka or damage to Anvaha srotas can make the person blind. Annavhe dve tatra vidhasya andhyam susha 9/12. Vidha aka of Raktvaha srotas is redness of the eyes. Raktavhe dve tatra vidhasya raktnetratacha susha 9/12. Thus, eye has intricate connections with dosa, dhatu, mala and srotas of the body. Hence, due care should be taken to assess their status while analyzing and treating eye diseases. Physiology of eye. Extraocular muscles. Each eye has 6 muscles that control its movements. Fig.1.23, P.119 muscles. Nerve supply, cranial nerve. Action. Lateral rectus. 6. Abduction. Medial rectus. 3. Adduction. Inferior rectus. 3. Depression. Superior rectus. 4. Elevation. Inferior oblique. 3. Elevation. Superior oblique. 4. Depression. Rapid eye movement REM is not in itself a unique form of eye movement. It refers to the sleep stage during which the most vivid dreams occur. Saccades are quick, Simultaneous movements of both eyes in the same direction controlled by the frontal lobe of the brain. Microsaccade, even when looking intently at a single spot, the eyes drift around. This ensures that individual photosensitive cells are continually stimulated in different degrees. Without changing input, these cells would otherwise stop generating output. Vestibuloocular reflex. It is a reflex eye movement that stabilizes images on the retina during head movement by producing an eye movement in the direction opposite to head movement. This preserves the image on the center of the visual field. Pursuit movement. The eyes can also follow a moving object around. This tracking is less accurate than the vestibuloocular reflex, as it requires the brain to process incoming visual information and supply feedback. The smooth pursuit movement can move the eye at up to 100 s. The optokinetic reflex is a combination of a saccade and smooth pursuit movement. When, for example, looking out of the window at a moving train, the eyes can focus on a moving train for a short moment through smooth pursuit until the train moves out of the field of vision. At this point, the optokinetic reflex kicks in and moves the eye back to the point where it first saw the train through a saccade. Vergence. When we look at an object, the eyes must rotate around a vertical axis so that the projection of the image is in the center of the retina in both eyes. To look at an object closer by, the eyes rotate towards each other, convergence, while for an object farther away they rotate away from each other, divergence. Exaggerated convergence is called cross-eyed viewing, focusing on the nose, for example. When looking into the distance, or when staring into nothingness, the eyes neither converge nor diverge. Vergence movements are closely connected to accommodation of the eye. Under normal conditions, changing the focus of the eyes to look at an object at a different distance will automatically cause vergence and accommodation. Physiology of vision. The functioning of the eye is compared with that of a camera. Both the camera and the eye have a lens to focus the image. Fig.1.24 p.119. Focusing in the camera is done by moving the lens, whereas in the eye, shape of the lens is automatically changed by the ciliary muscles for better focusing.
Light falling on the nerve endings of rods and cones causes visual sensations. There are nearly 120 million rods and 6 million cones in each eye. The diapatric system of the eye focuses the images of the objects in the outside world, the sensory nerve cells. As there are no rods and cones in the region of optic disc, the light failing on this region does not cause visual sensations. Therefore this region of the visual field is called the blind spot of Mariotte. Upon light falling on the retina causes two essential reactions, photochemical and electrical. The photochemical changes occur because of the pigments in the rods and cones. The pigment found in rods is called rhodopsin, while pigment found in cones are of mainly three types. Fovea contains maximum quantity of these pigments for perceiving red, green and blue colors. Rhodopsin is a chromoprotein, the molecule of which consists of a reactive part called chromophore. The chromophore, when exposed to light, is broken down through a series of reactions to the colorless vitamin A. Electrical variations occur in the optic nerve fibers after their initiation in the rods and cones. They consist of biphasic variation and are all or none response. The receptive field of the retina varies in extent from a diameter of 0.5 to 1 mm and indicates the synaptic link-up between ganglion cells and receptor cells. The impulses reach the occipital cortex 124 milliseconds after retinal stimulation. A crude additive record of the electrical changes in the retina can be obtained clinically in the electroretinogram, which is of diagnostic value in retinal diseases. Visual perceptions. There are three kinds of sensations resulting from the stimulation of the retina with light. These are the light sense, the form sense and the color sense. The light sense permits us to perceive light in all its gradations of intensity. When light falling upon the retina is gradually reduced in intensity, there comes a point when it is no longer perceived, light minimum. It varies greatly according to the amount of light which has been falling upon the retina before the observation is made. The light minimum for the fovea is considerably higher than for the other parts of the retina, and retinal adaptation does not affect the macula very much. Therefore, in diseases of the retina which affect the rods particularly, the patient's capacity to adapt is lost and the patient is virtually night blind. There are two types of vision depending on the predominance of which receptors are being stimulated. Scotopic vision is the vision in the dusk when rods are stimulated, while photopic vision is the vision in bright illumination, when cones are predominantly stimulated. The form sense enables us to perceive the shape of the objects in the outer world. The form sense is acute at the fovea where the cones are most closely set and highly differentiated. The ability to distinguish the shapes of the objects in greatest possible acuity is called visual acuity. The color sense is the faculty which helps us to distinguish between different colors as the cones are excited by light of different wavelengths. The appreciation of colors occurs in photopic vision where the light is of moderate to high intensity and retina is adapted to light. In different cones there are three pigments, erythrolabe, chlorolabe and cyanolabe, which after absorbing preferential wavelength of light in the spectrum give a sensation of red, green and blue colors. All other colors as well as white light can be formed by their combination in suitable proportion. Hence normal color vision is called trichromatic, which is the basis of Young-Helmholtz theory of color vision. There are many other theories of color vision, but not a single theory in itself explains the anomalies of color vision. Fig. 1.25a, b, page 120.